Production of 3 different pieces, each with a different concept, and these pieces were all created between 2006 and 2008. So this production is a revamp of the older versions, predominantly kind of showing it as a female dominant cast, because the themes that we are looking at in the 3 works are about a woman's role in love, woman's role in sport, and a woman's role in the corporate world. So over the past 20 years or so, the place of women has drastically changed, and the perception of people's perception of where women stand in these 3 different arenas has changed. So I felt like the work had to evolve to represent what's happening in the world today. Music plays a very integral part in dance, and I have for many years always worked with live music. And the reason why I brought musicians into the choreography is because I just felt like there was more to them than just playing the music or creating the soundscape. Of course, there is that added reason that my husband is a vocalist and a composer, so that was, I think, probably further inspiration for me to include musicians in the choreography. It was very difficult to do this at a time when I started this line of work, because this was again like 21 years ago that I started working in this manner, and musicians at that time were very resistant to, first of all, memorizing their script, because that's what you have to do if you're going to be walking around or moving on in the choreography. And then of course they were very uncomfortable in their own body in terms of moving. So with the musicians I worked with originally 20 years or so ago, they had to go through like sort of basic movement training, like how to walk, which was quite funny. But as the years went by, musicians became more open-minded to the idea, and maybe I think I actively sought out musicians that were happy to work in that way to support my idea of how I wanted to integrate music and dance. So in my choreography, the dancers and musicians are all characters in the story. The first piece was created in 2005-2006. Then the second piece was created in 2008, and the third piece was created in 2006. When I'm saying first, second, I mean sequentially how they appear in the performance. So they all happened at different times. I just found a common, because these are 3 of my favorite pieces actually, and I found a common kind of thread under the name of Play Ball, because I was able to find a way that the title Play Ball actually relates to each. So for example, will he play ball in the sense, in a relationship, if a woman is yearning for a man that she's in love with, will he play ball in that sense? Means, will he reciprocate her love? And in the second piece, which is about football, of course, is very literal, playing ball. And the third piece is about the corporate world, hardcore kind of competitive business people trying to, close a deal. So will the other party play ball? Like, will they kind of go along with our suggestion or our proposal? So I found a title that suited each of these, because I wanted to bring them together into one program to represent my 3 sort of favorite works. I'd like to say that this production is very different to any of my other productions that people may have seen. Like I said, they are my 3 favorite pieces, so I'm very excited about showing my work. There are 3 very, very different pieces, all with a completely contrasting feel to them and look to them. So we are excited to bring this work to the 8 different venues that we are performing in India.